Hi everyone, it's Kathie here in Bundaberg. You see before you a 12 by 16 inch or 30 by 40 centimetre canvas to which I'm going to do a ring pour. I've got some of these lovely colours left over from a pour I just did earlier, and they're not colours I use a lot of, well some of them are, so I thought, and that's the problem, I have a little bit of black that was left over from this, gold, silver, forest green and a light brown, and I thought they might make rather a nice ring pour. So I'm just scratching out the last of the black and some green, gold. I hope it comes up all right. Silver. Look, I might as well just put that there for a second and get one of these knives and just scrape the last of the colours out, I think. In the paint pot, not all over the place. Right. Green, oops, and the last of the brown. Okay, must be cut forward probably way too much, and then I'm just going to do this just because I can. Alright, and might do a travelling ring pour, eh? Just see what we end up with. Got lots of cell action, I know that much. Okay, so that should make some nice, oh let's scrape that out too. Right into the middle. Right. Just letting it do a little wander around as it's named. I'll bring it over this edge. And then just bring it down, down, down. Oh, that's different. I've got somebody dragging through there. What are you? I have no idea. Let me get that out. Gone. Whatever it was. The recipes for these paints and pouring medium you'll find below, show more under this video, along with a link to my Facebook group, which is Australia Art Dreaming. You're more than welcome to come across there and join us. Just get this last corner and then I'll see what I'm going to do with it. Okay, so that's that. And is nice. I'll bring the white over this way a bit more, I think. Whatever that is, there's another one. Getting some of these more busy lines out. Almost there. Okay, come on. All right. Ah, look at that. I have no idea what that is. Probably a Floetrol or something doing that. Alright, that's covered it up. Goodness. So I quite like this. I'm going to just wipe my hands off and torch it and see what I have, and I think this will make a perfect background for something a bit later in a week or so when I finish looking at it and deciding what to do with it. So I won't be a second. That off. That is really quite pretty. So here we go. Bring you down to have a look at this one, and if you haven't already subscribed, please do. Click the little bell, you'll be notified then as I put up more videos into YouTube. And please give it the thumbs up, I do appreciate that. Out you go. And this is what I've been looking at. It's rather nice. With the greens, I'll definitely have to think of something special to go on this. As it is, it's not much really as a painting, but it's a really nice for a background. So that's what I'll be doing with it. And considering the colours, I think we might stay a little bit tropical to enhance it. I really do like it. I think it's quite pretty. Well, thank you very much for watching. I do hope you've enjoyed, and please give this the thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye for now.